In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Google Play balance to PayPal. This process might seem tricky at first, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to get it done seamlessly. Before we dive in, it's essential to know that directly transferring your Google Play balance to PayPal is not straightforward, as there's no official method provided by Google for this task. However, I'm here to guide you through an effective workaround. This process involves using your Google Play balance towards purchasing a gift card, which can then be moved to your PayPal account. Let's start with launching the Google Play Store on your device. Keep in mind that you must be logged in with the account holding the balance you want to transfer. Once you're in, head over to the menu by clicking on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen, which will open a list of options. From that list, click on Redeem. This is where you get to choose a gift card that you can purchase with your Google Play balance. It's important to be cautious when choosing a gift card. Make sure it's a type that you will be able to sell or convert to cash through a reliable source. Options like Amazon or eBay gift cards can work, as these are frequently traded or used online. After selecting your gift card, follow the prompts to complete your purchase using your Google Play balance. Once the transaction is successful, you will receive a code for your gift card. Take a note of this code, as it's crucial for the next steps. Now, your goal is to find a trustworthy platform or individual where you can sell or trade this gift card. There are various online platforms dedicated to buying and selling gift cards. Again, make sure to use a reputable site to prevent any potential scams or issues. After you've successfully sold your gift card, you should receive the proceeds from the sale, which you can then transfer to your PayPal account. It's a great idea to keep all transaction confirmation emails or screenshots just in case you encounter any problems along the way. This method requires a bit of creativity and careful decision-making to ensure you're not incurring any losses in the process. It's also a good idea to check the terms of service of both Google Play and PayPal, just to make sure that you're keeping everything above board. And there you have it. By employing these steps, you can effectively use your Google Play balance to make purchases that are then converted into cash through your PayPal account. While it's not a direct way of transferring funds, it serves as a practical workaround. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.